That's Ezekiel beeping the horn. And he's ready to go now. He's so happy. You know, the sun is in my face from here. Maybe better from here. Oh, I can see it. He's so happy. He loves jumping the sand from a height. Yeah. So just getting instructions on how to maneuver the excavator. The man next to them is teaching them how to push the sand back with the aid of the excavator. Whoa, that was like a big bump. I don't know what they did, but the whole excavator shook. And they moved the sand back. And that's it for Ezekiel. He looks a bit sad because he has to get down, but there are many other kids lined up, and yeah, he's had his turn, so. They're taking the seat belts off now. And now they're getting down. Thank you. That's okay.